Hey everyone, okay, so this is just a quickie. So I just wanted to address a lot of the comments that I'm seeing in my recent videos, not just about the haircut, but about my skin and my face and all of those kind of things. So nothing's really changed with my skincare routine. I have a new camera, it's a Sony camera, because the other one broke. I don't understand cameras, so I use the camera straight out of the box. I've got a feeling that there is some form of softness about the camera or something like that, because I'm sorry, I've got an itchy nose. Because I notice it as well. I notice the smoothness of the skin. So that's my assumption. What I'm going to do is I'm going to film now myself on my iPhone. Oh, I can't do, I'm just useless. So there you go. I'm going to film it at this exact same time, scratching my nose, try and get in here, give a good smile and show you just to see if there is a difference going on here. We will see in a second when I post it, but the camera is different and I do think there's something going on there because I generally don't look quite that smooth in real life. The other two things that I have been doing that are slightly different is I've been doing contact therapy with tretinoin, and the other thing I've been doing is facial exercises, and quite literally very aggressively as well. Particularly I've been doing them for this, basically the entire face, not the neck because it isn't a concern for me at the moment. But I have been doing facial exercises that may have something to do with it. I filmed a very short segment about it probably about 6 weeks ago or so, 7 weeks ago when I started doing them. And there has been a change, particularly here in this section. My face seems to have got a little wider, but it's way too early to tell at the moment. It really is, but that's all I've been doing. New camera, some short contact therapy and some facial exercises. And that's it. So we'll see what that iPhone video looks like. It just looked really shockingly dreadful, just due to the color. Let me see if I can, let's do it there. We'll do it again just so you can see differences in color. I'll tell you one thing, my hair is so much lighter in real life. The camera makes it look so much darker, but it isn't. That's me close up. Oh, the other thing, people were talking about my tan. Is it real? Does it come from a bottle? It's actually real. So I got the tan by mistake while out in the garden talking to my neighbors, and I was out there drinking with them for about 6 hours. We were just sat outside. I had sunscreen on, but not enough. So I got a real tan. That's the full story. Thanks for watching. Here's the update. That is the update. See you next time. Bye-bye.